In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your TradingView account with Bybit. This will enable you to execute trades and manage your account directly from the TradingView platform, offering a streamlined and efficient trading experience. To get started, you'll first need to log into your TradingView account. If you haven't already, simply open TradingView in your web browser and enter your login details to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the trading panel, which is typically found at the bottom of the chart area. This panel is your gateway to connecting with different brokers right from within TradingView. Now, you'll need to find Bybit in the list of brokers available on TradingView. This list is located within the trading panel you've just accessed. If you don't immediately spot Bybit, don't worry, there may be a need to scroll or click on a button to view all available broker options. Once you've located the Bybit icon, go ahead and click on it to proceed. At this point, a pop-up window should appear, prompting you to log into your Bybit account. This is an essential step, as TradingView needs to verify your identity and gain access to your Bybit account for trading. Enter your Bybit credentials carefully, ensuring there are no typos, as this will prevent login issues. Following your login, you'll be asked to authorize the connection between TradingView and Bybit. This is a necessary security measure, allowing TradingView to access your account information. Go ahead and grant permission to complete this step. Once authorization is complete, your Bybit account will be connected, and you'll see your account details and trading history displayed right within TradingView. This integration allows you to effortlessly select a trading pair of your choice and place orders directly through the TradingView trading panel. Not only does this make trading more straightforward, but it also saves time by centralizing your trading activities in one platform. There are a couple of important aspects to keep in mind when you're connected. TradingView offers the flexibility to switch between your spot and derivatives accounts. Ensure that you select the correct account that aligns with your trading intentions. Also, it's crucial to remember that you can only trade assets that are actually available on Bybit. By following these steps, you'll have successfully linked your TradingView and Bybit accounts, paving the way for a more integrated and efficient trading session.